Hello everyone, this is Tapish Gaur. Hope all of you are doing well. So today I'm going to share my views on importance of deadline. So I'll start with my understanding about deadline. So deadlines are basically used at workplace so that work can maintain the momentum and progress can be monitored. This is a small understanding of me about deadline. And I believe the paramount importance of keeping the deadlines. Otherwise nobody will be able to finish the task on time. So if you want that everyone will finish the task on the time, then there is the importance of keeping the deadline. Imagine for a moment if there will be no deadline, then what will be the consequences? The first consequence will be like nobody is going to monitor or track the progress of task, because if there will be no deadline, there will be no periodic review. No one is going to progress or track the progression of the task. Number 2, if there will be no deadline, then procrastination will arise. Like for us to beat the procrastination, because procrastination is an inbuilt attitude of a human being. So once there will be no deadline, so we lose the important, so that we lose the important of time. For us, once we kept the deadline, then there will be a high amount of importance for us for the timelines. Like for us, single minute in a day will be important for us, single hour in a day will be important for us, every day will be important for us, because of the deadline only. Third one, once there will be no deadline, we will not be able to finish our task on time, because every time to continue our progressive trend, we should keep on doing different tasks. Like, and if we want to do the second task, then we have to finish off our first task. So if our first task will not be accomplished, will not be finished, how will we going to plan for the next task? How will going to do the next task? So these are the three reasons by which I would like to say there is a paramount importance of, and which proves my belief of why importance of deadlines is there. So thank you all. Stay connected.